Hello guys, welcome to MySQL Database Part 6. In this video we are going to discuss about insert, update, delete and truncate command. So let's start video. Here I'll is the command insert, update, delete and truncate command. Insert command used for insert data in a table. Update command used for update present row in a table. Delete command used for delete a particular row in a table. Suppose I want to delete id1, id3 or the name which present in a table, so I can use delete command to delete particular row, and truncate is command for delete all row inside that present in a table. So here is the insert command. Insert command is the insert command is insert into table name, column in bracket there is column name, after that values and give values name. Update command is for update table name, set column name and their value and give where condition, means the condition which column you want to update. Delete command use as delete from table name, where condition means which row you want to delete, and truncate just you need to write truncate table and table name. So let's switch to command prompt. Here I already enter in MySQL. I already create EMP. Inside EMP table there is 4 column: ID, name, address and age. The ID is integer format, name and address in string format, the string allow, and age is in integer format. So I want to insert some data into a table. I already entered data in a table. To check, I use command select star from EMP. So here you can see 2 rows are present, Sam and Ram are present. Now I want to enter data in table, so I use command insert into table name is EMP, then I give column name is ID, after that name, after that address column, after that age column, and then type values colon, and inside values the ID is in numerical, so I give column. Sorry, I can't give one because it already present ID is primary key, so it won't allow to duplicate value. So I type here 3, name suppose Sanket, his address is address 03, and his age is suppose 45. So we successfully enter success data in EMP table. There is another way to insert data in table, which is without column. So I don't give here column name, I directly fetch value. So here I want to change name, ID is 4 and name is suppose Akash, address is 04 and age is 40. Here you can see Akash is all enter. Now you can also insert data in zigzag format, like change column name. Suppose I give first age, after that name, so ID. So instead of writing 45 here, I type age after ID column. Oh sorry, primary key error. Here you can see I just change the column arrangement and pass the value as respective of them, so the data also present. Now I want to update ID5 because Sanket name is repeated. For changing the name I use command update table name is EMP, set name Sanket to suppose Manish, where condition ID equal to 5. I also change another column also. So I want to change address also, so I type here address, suppose address 05. So id 5 is updated. Now I want to delete one row from table. Suppose I want to delete Akash detail from table, so I use command delete from which table, emp, where the condition is id equal to 4. Here I can delete two id also. Suppose I want to delete Sanket and Manish row also, so I use command delete from id. Here I am using in, and inside there I type id 3 and 5. So here you can see two rows are deleted. Now once again I enter data. Now I want to row in a one command I want to delete all row from this table, so I use command truncate table name is emp colon. So all data is gone. Here is the end of lecture. In the next video we are going to discuss about select and join query. So keep watching. Thank you.